This time we're going to look at problem solving and the strategy guessing and checking. Guessing and checking is a really great strategy. It's very useful when you're not really sure where to start. You just pick an answer and plug it in and see if it works. The best way to guess and check, though, is to be strategic, to think about it, not just do random guesses, but actually take an educated guess. Look at the parameters or the boundaries of the problem and see if you can make a guess that makes sense. And then you can know if you need to go higher or lower, for example. So here's a problem we're going to try this strategy with. Arrange the counting numbers from 1 to 6 in the circles at the right here, so that the sum, that means the addition of the numbers along each side of the triangle, is 10. So I've got 6 spaces, one for each of the digits from 1 to 6, and I have to make these 3 add to 10, and these 3 add to 10, and those 3 add to 10. So you can see straight away that whatever number I put in the corners is going to be in both sums. So that's something I should use to help me make a good guess. Now, I can put random numbers in there, but I would advise you strongly against that. For example, if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and just put them around the triangle, you can see straight away we haven't met the parameters. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, and it tells me I have to make them add up to 10. So we do a bit of thinking first, and we realise that there's a couple of different ways we can make 10. So we can go 1 plus 3 plus 6, 1 plus 4 plus 5, 2 plus 3 plus 5. So there's 3 combinations using the digits from 1 to 6 that add up to 10. Now hopefully you look at that and you go, there's a 1 in that one and there's a number 1 in that one. So I should put the number 1 in the corner there, and then I can build off that way and that way, those 2 options that both use number 1. You can also see that this one has 5 and 5, so that gives me another corner is going to be a 5, and this one has 3 and this one has 3. So there's my 3 corners. So I've used what I know to be strategic to work out these numbers 1, 3 and 5 are going to go in the corners, and then it really doesn't matter how I fill in the next one. So in fact, if I scroll all the way down, you'll see there are several correct answers using those numbers. So all of them have 1, 3 and 5 in the corners, and then you can put the ones inside in different combinations. So there's actually multiple correct answers in this case. But I use my guessing and checking to work out which one is best. So that's a strategy that you can try and use. Guessing and checking is really handy if you're not sure how to start, but you should always make sure you have an educated guess, not a random guess. Good luck using guessing and checking.